Are you uploading video but getting little or no views? For example, your video don't get 100 views, your video don't get 500 views, or your video don't get 1k views. This means that you are uploading your video without turning on and turning off this setup on your YouTube. In this video, I will show you exact setting you need to turn on and setting to turn off to grow faster on YouTube. My name is Shaf and this is Top 5 Media. If you are new in this channel, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel for more video about tools, tips and strategies on how to grow YouTube channel. After that, here we go. First of all, go to YouTube Studio. Open YouTube Studio because this setting we are doing in YouTube Studio dashboard. So you want to go to the Chrome or any other browser and search for YouTube Studio dashboard. After searching, open YouTube Studio dashboard, it pop up like this. You will see a video, comment and the other. Now go to the setting. After go to the setting, you will see option like general, channel, upload default, permission and community. First, under the general, set up your channels properly. This is most for monetizing tracking, so it's not very important for views, but keep it accurate. And the second, let's now jump to the channel setting. In a channel setting, you will see 3 options. Option number 1 is basic info, option number 2 is advanced setting, and option number 3 is feature eligibility. Let's start with the basic info. Here choose country of residence. For example, if you live in England and add England in this option, and if you live in India or whatever country, choose and add here. Another option is adding your keyword. This helps YouTube to understand your content. For example, if your channel is deal with the tools and the tips like my channel, add a keyword related to your niche. So here I can add the keyword like YouTube grows, how to grow a YouTube channel, how to grow and to get more views on YouTube and so more. Another option is advanced setting. Also in advanced settings there is some tools to turn on and some tools to turn off. For example here, turn on and set this channel as not made for kids unless your content is for kids, because this allows comment and better engagement and it's helpful to reach more audience. So after setting that option, let's jump to another setup option, which is upload default. In upload default, you will see 2 options, which is basics and advanced setting. Let's start with the basics. This is one of the most powerful setting. Here you can add a title, but this is an optional template. Here you can add a description. This is very important. For example, of my description I can add here is like learn how to grow YouTube channel, first subscribe for more tips, or you can add keyword, social links like Instagram account, Facebook account and TikTok account. Also in a description you can add tags. Always add tags related to your niche. Example, for my niche I can add YouTube tips, grows YouTube fast, how to get views. This is example according to my niche in my YouTube channel. Also there are another option is visibility. In a visibility, keep it on private. The reason why you put it private is first to avoid copyright. In case of your video as a copyright, your channel will not be direct affected because you receive email from YouTube about a copyright and help you to fix the problem quickly. The second reason to put your video private is to give enough time algorithm to analyze your video and to choose audience who relate to your video before and after put it public. Another option is tag, and this is very important option to make sure you set up in your YouTube channel. Always add tags related to your niche. Example, for my niche I can add YouTube tips, grow YouTube tips fast, grow how to get more views and so more. Under the upload default, you can go to advanced setting. You will see this option category. Most of small YouTube makes big mistake to upload video without set this setting. Make sure you choose a light option which relate to your video. For example, if your video is about comedy, choose category comedy, and if your video is about teaching, choose category education. And why you feel this option? Because you tell algorithm what channel deal with, and this is helpful because algorithm will choose right audience related to your videos. Another feature is this: show how many views like your video. This feature must be turned off because I realize that if you turn off this feature, people are going to like your video because they don't know how many views are like your video. And when you set on, you don't get like. And remember, when you people like your video, it sends a positive signal to algorithm. By that, YouTube algorithm tend to recommend your video to more audience and to get more views on your video. Now you know the exact YouTube Studio setting to turn on and off to get more views. If this help you, make sure you like, you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notification for more YouTube growth tips. My name is Jishaf and this is Top 5 Media.